Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you how to draft a back bodice for a princess dart. You can use this back bodice for either princess dart bustier or classic princess dart. Materials required are curved rule, straight ruler, tape rule, scissors, pattern paper and also marker. So the first thing I'll do is to draw a straight line to mark as my starting line. After that, I'll mark my shoulder width. The shoulder measurement is 14 inches. 14 divided by 2 will give me 7 inches. So I'll mark my 7 inches. In order to get my armhole, I'm going to divide my shoulder measurement, which is 14 inches by 2, and I will get my armhole, which will be 7 inches. You can also use the standard measurement to get your armhole, which is your bust divided by 6 plus 1.5 inch. So the next thing I'll do now is to take my neck width. My neck width is 3 inches. I'll mark my neck width and my neck depth will be 2 inches. But before I take out my neck cuff, I'm going to come to my armhole and come down by 0.5 inch to take my shoulder slope. After I mark the 0.5 inch, I'm going to connect it from that 0.5 inch to my 3 inches neck width. When that is done, I'm going to mark my measurement, my bust line measurement, my waist measurement, and also 1 inch for sewing allowance. When that is done, I'm going to use my straight ruler to mark out all my line, drawing a straight line. When I'm done with the lines, I'm going to label them for clarity's sake. The first line is my bust line, the second line is the waist line, and the third line is for sewing allowance. After that, I'm going to take my armhole cuff. In order to do that, I'm going to place my tape on my chest line and mark out my bust divided by 4, which will give me 7.5 inch. Then I'll connect from my shoulder line to that bust divided by 4. As you can see, I didn't go in by 0.5 inch for the back because you don't have to. You only go in 0.5 inch at the front because of the bust, but for the back there will be no need for that. After that, I'll take my dart line. My dart measurement is nipple to nipple divided by 2, which will give me 4. I'll mark the 4 inches on each of the lines. After that, I'll draw a straight line to connect the dots. When that is done, I'll come to the waistline and take 0.5 inch on both sides of the line. And I'll do the same thing on the sewing allowance line. After that, I'll go up by 1 inch on the bust line and mark and draw a straight line to connect that 1 inch to the dart line. When that is done, I'll connect from that 0.5 inch on both sides of my dart line to that 1 inch straight this way. So the next thing I'll do is to go to my armhole and look for the midpoint of my armhole, then I'll mark. When that is done, I'll go up by 1 inch from that midpoint. I will mark, then I'll connect from that 1 inch down to the 1 inch above my bust line. If you want to learn how to draft a princess dart bustier or a classic princess dart, I have the link on my description box. You can go there and learn it. This back bodice is based on request. As you can see, I didn't contour the armhole dart for the back bodice. What I'll just do is to add 2 inches for sewing allowance. Then I'll go to my bust and take my round bust measurement, which is also 7.5 inch. I will mark and add the 2 inches for sewing allowance. Then on my waist, I'll go and add my waist measurement and add 1 inch for the dart I took from the waist and also add 2 inches for sewing allowance. When that is done, I'll connect the dots from the armhole straight to my sewing allowance this way. The next thing I'll do is to cut. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and click notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new videos. And please feel free to ask your questions in the comment section. I'll be right there to answer all your questions. And if you have any video requests, you can also drop it there and I will see to it. Don't forget to add your zipper allowance before you start your measurements if you are going to use zipper for your dress. And if this video is helpful to you, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you don't have anything to tell me on the comment section, just drop princess that for me on the comment section. Thank you.